This is a 2002 GMC Sierra. As you can see, there's 4 headlights, the daytime running lights, the turn signal park lights, and fog lights on the bottom. The bulbs I ordered were for the headlights. This is the box that came in. It's supposed to be 100 watts. Your ad on eBay said 200, and then the small print said 60 watts. 60 watts should still be brighter than my driving lights. These are the lights I pulled out. When I ordered these are supposed to be 75 to 80 watts. The only reason why I took them out is because one broke. One went out. So we're going to crank the truck up, turn the headlights on, so you can see how dim these other bulbs are compared to those, which I'll put in a minute. So there it is with the headlights and the park lights. Let's turn the fog lights on. Get them to power up because they're HIDs. Now, those fog lights are HID 55 watts. So if your headlight bulbs are 60 watts or higher, they should be more brighter. But they're not. So, these are what hold my headlight assembly in. I'm going to pull this thing out. You can see those are your bulbs that are in here right now. Your bulb. Pull it out. This is one of the bulbs that came in that package you sent. They're there for now. We'll take one of these and put it back in. That's the one that broke. As you can see on that back wall, the reflection has gotten bigger. When we come up here, can you see the difference between your headlights and the ones I took off? In case you can't, let me turn the fog lights off. That one is 75 to 80 watts. That one is yours, supposedly 60 watts. And again, like I said, your 60 watts are dimmer than my 55 watt fog lights. See the difference? I can't see with those at night. I have to use my driving lights. In the state of Texas, if your headlights ain't good, they give you a ticket for it. I need 75 to 80 watts. I don't want $2.50 refund. I want something that, you know, this box says it has 100 watts. See that? If you look, you can actually see the projection lens behind your bulb. On this side, you can't see my projection lens.